So this is XAUUSD gold analysis for Thursday the 5th of October. And yeah, let's just see what's happened. Now, so we've had prices break down quite a bit. This week, our pivot is at 1279. So that's 1279.42, but I'll just stick with 1279. So, what's happened? Well, prices have come down. After breaking the 1284 level and 1280, I was expecting prices to go all the way down to test 1263. We did go into it yesterday and the day before. We did go into a bit of a consolidative chart pattern, and prices slowly seem to be heading upwards. Further momentum has come into the market, and when was this? During the European session, was it? Yeah. During the European session, we did have some buying of the of gold. Retested at 1279. Weren't able to hold above it. This is on the 60-minute time frame. Immediately sold back down, and it was sold back down again. I think that's ADP, was it? Yes. So at 1 today, some news came out. I think it was ADP and some other US related news, dollar related news, and you can see had a bit of a sell off on the gold against the dollar. The sell off seemed to have been tempered somewhat, and we do seem to be going into what would be another range, so a potential horizontal range. The price action at the moment, I'm not too enthusiastic about, because it does not appear to be how I like to see my reversals being V-shaped. This price action here, where we've got quite a few indecision candles, which might just be symptomatic of market participants waiting for NFP. So, what is my bias and where do I expect prices to go? As prices have turned around where they have, I do still expect prices to go all the way down to 1263 to find support. Now, if prices don't come down to 1263 to find support, and we go back above 1279, and see, there's quite a few caveats here, and hold 1279. I could potentially expect prices to go on to test this 200 period moving average, after which the weekly pivot from a couple of weeks ago should come into focus, being at 1296, after which we've got to successfully navigate this moving average here before a test of 1305. If we do break down from 1263, 1250 obviously being a level, and after which you'll be looking at 1214 is a pretty large, how would you say, it's a pretty the distance is sizable. Let's just put it that way. The distance is sizable. So overall, I'm waiting for price to give me a bit more direction. If I do see a bullish candle, so a bullish candle, what would the size need to be? Potentially similar to this candle here, the 1 p.m. candle. So let's see how many dollars that was. So it opened at 1280 and it closed at 77. 1281 and closed at 77. So potentially $4. So if I see a candle on the hourly time frame of $4 or more, which is more likely to the upside, I will be expecting this to be a base, a consolidative base for a test all the way up. I've got 1284 marks on it, but I don't expect it to be too significant level. I just expect prices, or need prices to break the 200 period moving average, go on to test the 1296 before testing the other moving average, and continue upwards. Now, if we do post a similar candle to the downside, however, from this somewhat consolidative horizontal range. I'll be targeting 1263, underneath which 1250 should be the focus. So that should be it. LCS, before I go, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.